and welcome to this month's Pro Video Show. Coming up, we'll be reviewing the award-winning live production and portable streaming studio from Streamstar. Now, do you like the sound of a multi-camera portable studio in a box with a handle that you can take anywhere? Well, you're in luck, as I have one right here from Streamstar. They've got a range of these cases. This one is the 510. It's a 4-camera live production and streaming case with a touchscreen user interface for vision mixing, graphics, overlays and anything else you might need for a live shoot. It has multiple inputs including SD, IP and NDI, and a multitude of features for live playback such as dynamic replay, freeze framing and auto cut, making it perfect for sporting events. You can stream live to all the popular platforms from the box, as well as JVC's cloud service Video Cloud, meaning that you own the content. You can even introduce advertising to your stream to monetize your output. It's fair to say our video team were pretty excited when this came in, so they've gone and put it through its paces, and this is their verdict.
Streamstar itself seems to be a very easily compatible piece of kit. Setting up the camera as you normally would, you just plug in your SDI input, plug it straight into the Streamstar and away you go, you've got yourself an input.
You can do all the graphics within the box itself, so you can bring up the lower thirds, edit them straight away, and if you've got multiple people you can duplicate each layer and then you can just change the details for each person.
It's a great way for people to get into the live streaming market and open up their content to a big audience.
I've actually timed myself with the Streamstar. I managed to get from setting up the first camera to having a live stream on YouTube within 5 minutes.
It's got all the normal inputs you'd use for any kind of computer, so it's universally compatible with all peripherals. So you can either use the touchscreen or you can use a keyboard and mouse, plug in a headset, maybe even plug in something else like a phone charger or as many hard drives as you need. It just seems to be universally brilliant.
Well, a big thumbs up from the team here at Scan. And for more information on the Streamstar cases, visit scan.co.uk.